Hello students, today we will learn about computer mouse. Children, all of you must have seen a mouse in and around your house. Let us know about it. A mouse is small in size. It has a tail. It runs very fast. Now let us talk about computer mouse. A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. It is small in size. It has two buttons, left and right, and a scroll wheel. It has a wire like a tail, which is fixed to the CPU cabinet. Nowadays, we also use a wireless mouse. A mouse is always kept on a mouse pad. Okay, let me tell you uses of a mouse. A mouse helps us to draw pictures, point and select any item on the monitor, play games. When we move the mouse, we see a small arrow moving on the monitor. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. Now let us understand how to hold and move a mouse. Look at the picture. Middle finger. Place your index finger on the left mouse button. Place the middle finger on the right mouse button. Hold the mouse with the rest of the fingers and thumb. Rest your palm on the mouse. Now move the mouse on the mouse pad. Watch the movement of the pointer on the screen as you move the mouse. Now let us understand about mouse buttons. All of us have seen a camera. What would you say to your parents if you want to take their photograph? Let me click your photograph. The mouse also has the same function, clicking. Pressing the left mouse button once is called clicking. This selects an item. Double click. Double click means pressing the left mouse button twice quickly. This makes two click sounds and opens an item. Okay, let us try. Hold the mouse. Move it to bring the pointer onto the computer icon. Double-click the computer icon to open it. Click on the Close button. The computer window will be closed. Right-click. Pressing and releasing the right mouse button once will show a list of commands on the monitor. Students, let us try. Move the mouse pointer to the blank area of the desktop. Now right-click on it. The list of options will appear. Select the View, then Medium Icons option. Observe the change in the size of icons. Scroll wheel. It is placed between the left and right buttons of a mouse. It is used to move the page up and down on the monitor. Hello students, today we will learn about computer keyboard. We use a pencil or a pen to write in our notebook. Likewise, we need a keyboard to type numbers, characters, words or sentences on a computer. There are three types of keys on a keyboard: alphabet keys, number keys, and special keys. Let us learn about these three types of keys in detail. Alphabet keys. The alphabet keys are used to type letters, words and sentences. These keys are 26 in number. Number keys. The number keys are used to type numbers. They are marked with 0 to 9. These keys are 10 in number. Special keys. Now let us learn about some special keys that are commonly used. Look at the longest key on the keyboard. Yes, this is a spacebar key. The spacebar key is used to add blank spaces between letters, words or numbers. Type the name given on the left. See how it looks without a space. Now press spacebar after Ria and see the result. Another special key is Enter key. The Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. The keyboard has two Enter keys. These keys come in different shapes. Now, let us learn about another special key. Backspace key. The backspace key works like an eraser. By pressing this key, you can erase the text which is on the left side of the cursor, one by one. Let us discuss about Caps Lock key. The Caps Lock key is used to type in capital letters. Press the Caps Lock key once. This will turn on the light of the Caps Lock key on the keyboard. Type the text. It will appear in capital letters. For example, my name is Ria Bhatia. Arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the monitor in 4 directions, that is, left, right, up and down. Students, now let us talk about cursor. It is a blinking line on the monitor. It tells the position from where you can start typing the text.
Thank you for watching this video.